Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create animated text in Instagram story. If you're using Instagram and you want to create animated text into your Instagram story, so let's see how can you do that. So not to do that, you just need a third-party app. So you just have to go to open your App Store or Play Store and search for this app. As I have already installed it, so I'm going to open my app here. Just have an open, and here you just have to try to create a new story. You can take a photo, record a video, or you can also upload any phone from your camera roll. Just swipe up from right side and you'll get your camera roll here. You can select any photo or the video from here. So let's say I'm going to select or I'm going to record from here. So you just have to record up to 5 seconds long videos, minimum 5 seconds. Once you have done, just tap on done here. Now on this page, you can add or create animated text into your story. So just double tap to edit your video here. So if you tap on this quotation option here, you'll see different quotations here which will be added on your video. So let's say I'm going to select this one here, just tap on done option and it will be added. Now you can edit this, you can also zoom this or you can move this on your screen. You can zoom it in or zoom out. So once you have done, just tap on this done option here, or you can use these different edit options, but I'm gonna select this done option here. Now you have two different ways. You can directly select Instagram from here, or you can download this to your camera roll and upload this after downloading. So let's say I'm gonna select download. So it's being downloaded here. And once it's had been downloaded, you just have to go back, open your Photos app here, and here's the video we have just created. So you just have to go back, open your settings or your Instagram app here. Now just have a plus story option. Then select the video which you have just created. Now tap on this your story option and it will be shared to your story. So in this way you can easily create animated text into your Instagram story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.